Welcome back to our channel, Fashion Lovers. Today, we are loving deep into the elegance of memorizer timeless outfits that beautifully combine culture, traditional, modern style. Whether you are looking for inspiration for a wedding, a festival gathering, or simply exploring unique fashion. Memor dresser never fail. Memor dresser never fail to impress. Memor dresser are no more just outfit. They represent heritage rooted in traditional craftsmanship. Each stitch and embroidery pattern reflect the artistry of skilled designs who carry forward the legacy of their ancestors. Wearing a mammoth dresser in law is like wearing a story woman in a fabric, a symbol of elegance passed down through generations. One of the most striking features of mammoth dressing in the hand embroidery and beadworks, the indicating patterns, floral motifs, and delicate finishing make them stand out in any events. Some way highlights bold colors such as a deep maroon, amaryllis green, or royal blue, while of like shade pink in body or the variety of styles mean there are memorizing of personality. If you are styling mammoth dressing or wedding statement jewelry, like to say wearing a bold necklace to embrace in a royal look for a casual gathering, go with a minimal jewelry and